This is Lara Henares making your day with part 25 of the Milk Wars. Chapter, Supreme Court Case Victory. The biggest news during Malacanang affair of 2006 was the signing and launching of the revised implementing rules of the National Milk Code by Secretary of Health against the opposition of the milk companies, a feat that was accomplished by Dr. Elvira and her group with the help of the Department of Health and the UNICEF in the short span of 6.5 months. After 20 years of frustration since the law was passed in 1986. It was signed into effect on May 15, 2006, published on June the 22nd to take effect on July 7. Then suddenly, on June 28, 2006, the milk companies filed a case before the Supreme Court against the Department of Health Executive Committee, members in their personal capacities, requesting a temporary restraining order against the implementation of the IRR, which was denied on July 11. But we were prepared. For that, we mobilized several legal luminaries, including former Chief Justice and Philippine Ambassador to the United Nations, Hilario Davide, who unabashedly admitted to us that he loved his mother so much because he was breastfed for 4 years in his childhood. We also convinced international jurist Raul Gocco and 10 outstanding young men and women awardee, attorney Maria Paz Luna, a former patient of Nona who breastfed their child for 4 years, to be part of the Department of Health Legal Advisory Group, pro bono. We convened a meeting with the UNICEF and this legal advisory group to help the DOH in anticipation of a tough legal battle. Secretary Duque and Undersecretary Padilla were there to represent the case to the Office of the Solicitor General, represented by several government lawyers headed by Assistant Solicitor General Nestor Vallecillo. More about this after these messages. This is Lara Henares making your day with part 25 of the Milk Wars. Chapter, Supreme Court Case Victory. Then, on August 16, 2006, 2 days before the launching of the IRR in Malacanang, the Supreme Court, on the eve of the retirement of Chief Justice Artemio Panganiban, suddenly, inexplicably, and without hearing the side of the breastfeeding advocates, issued a temporary restraining order until the issues are finally resolved. Not only that, the Supreme Court under Chief Justice Reynato Puno refused to accept the intervention of breastfeeding advocates and refused as well to accept the offer of the UNICEF and the WHO to act as friends of the court, as amicus curiae. For a time we were worried that the milk companies had influenced the Supreme Court of Chief Justice Reynato Puno, as it did the Supreme Court of retiring Chief Justice Artemio Panganiban. Then something horrible happened. On December 6, 2006, Assistant Solicitor General Vallecillo and his son Benedict, a young man who just graduated from college, were murdered near their home. Solicitor General Antonio Eduardo Natura linked their deaths to cases he was handling, especially the Milk Code. President Arroyo offered a reward for 1 million pesos for the killer's arrest to give a clear message that she will not condone such a dastardly act, and that the government will not be cowed into submission with criminal acts like the one committed against Baliasillo. A police report noted that the suspects may have used .45 caliber pistols, indicating that they are professional killers hired by somebody, and the murder of Baliasillo's son may have been incidental. Several years later, when the Trinity visited the former UNICEF country representative Dr. Nicolas K. Alipue in the UNICEF headquarters in New York City, he related to them that the lawyer whom they hired after attorney Baliasillo was killed was also assaulted with assassins firing bullets at his office door. This is Larry Anaras, making your day, saying good day, God bless you. Thank you very much for being with us. Till next time, hasta la bye-bye.